In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files, PDF, MP4, JPG, on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin in a web browser and sign in. We'll start from the main dashboard so you're in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and choose Content. Inside Content, open Files. This is your store's media library where you keep PDFs like size charts or manuals, MP4 videos for product pages, and JPG images such as logos and banners. Anything you upload here can be referenced across your theme, pages, products, and blog posts. Let's upload from your computer. In the Files page, find the Upload control, usually labeled Upload Files or Add File, near the top right. Click it to open your computer's file picker. Select one or more items, such as a PDF, an MP4, or a JPG, and confirm. If you prefer, you can drag and drop files directly into the page. Keep file names short and descriptive, and stick to standard characters to avoid broken links later. Large videos and images may take longer to process. Make sure you have a stable connection and that your files respect Shopify's size and format requirements. You can also bring in files that are already hosted online. Choose Upload from URL. In the field provided, paste a direct link to the file. A direct link typically ends in .pdf, .mp4, or .jpg, and doesn't require a login to access. Click Add File to stage it for upload. When you're ready, select Upload Files to start the transfer. Shopify will fetch the file for you and add it to your library. If the link is private or redirects, the upload may fail. In that case, download the file to your computer and use the regular upload instead. While the upload runs, watch for progress indicators. When it completes, your files will appear in the list with thumbnails or names, ready to use throughout your store. Consistent naming makes them easier to search later. A few quick tips to avoid issues. Compress images and videos before uploading to reduce load times. Only upload content you have rights to use, and avoid extremely long file names or special characters. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page after a moment to let processing finish. That's it. You've learned how to access the files library, upload from your computer, and upload from a URL, so your PDFs, MP4s, and JPGs